Hello and welcome to another M365.video SharePoint short. I'm David Warner. Today we're going to cover a quick tip for SharePoint Library Components around an NPM install gotcha that may affect you. If you've been working with SharePoint Library Components, you may have experienced this already yourself. What happens is after you've established a connection between your web part or your extension to your library component via the NPM link command, and then you perform an NPM install for some other package or module, your symlink will be removed. Now this is covered in the Microsoft documentation, so they already have guidance for it, but I just wanted to create a quick tip video that shows exactly what's happening and how you can correct it. For this demo, let me just set the context. On the left within Visual Studio Code is a web part that I've scaffolded out, and I've already connected to a library component that I've also built. You can see that as defined here in my node modules folder for my web part. I've already performed the NPM link and everything is working fine. Just to confirm that, let's go ahead and perform a gulp build. Okay, now we see everything is working as expected. But what if during the course of our web part development, we needed to install another NPM package? Maybe jQuery, maybe Moment, maybe anything. What happens to our symlink at that point? Let's go ahead and do just that. We'll go ahead and type npm install jQuery. Now you'll notice that in my browser window here for my node modules, I've got it sorted by date modified. So we see jQuery has been added, but our library component symlink has been removed. So now if I try to perform another gulp build, let's see what happens. Ruh-roh, we've got errors, red text, red alert. So how can we fix that? Well, it's simple. All you need to do is reapply the npm link command that connects this to our library component. So we'll just simply type npm link js library component. And now we see that our library component has been re-added to our node modules folder right here. So now let's go ahead back into our command prompt and let's attempt another gulp build. And now that we've reestablished our connection to our library component, we should see a successful build. And there you go, everything worked. So hopefully this has been helpful for you if you've been tripped up by this gotcha. Here are some useful links to help you as you develop SharePoint library components. I'll also include them in the blog. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe in YouTube to get alerts for all my future videos.